Hey guys, this is Developer Dude, and today in this video we are going to discuss about HTML paragraph. The P tag in HTML defines a paragraph. These have both opening and closing tags. So anything mentioned within opening and closing P tag is treated as a paragraph. Most browsers read a line as a paragraph even if we don't use the closing tag. But this may raise unexpected results. So it is both a good convention and we must use the closing tag. A paragraph always starts on a new line, and browsers automatically add some white space before and after a paragraph. HTML does this by default. Properties of the paragraph. The P tag automatically adds space before and after any paragraph, which is basically margins added by the browser. If a user adds multiple spaces, the browser reduces them to a single space. If a user adds multiple lines, the browser reduces them to a single line. By default, the display of the paragraph element is set to block, which you can change using CSS. This means that if you add another paragraph to the web page, the next paragraph will be inserted in the next line on the web page. BR tag. There is a way to let the HTML know where the browser needs to change the lines by using the BR tag. These tags do not have any closing tag, so just a single opening tag will change the line. Align attribute. The P tag specifically supports the alignment attribute and allows us to align our paragraphs in left, right, or center alignment. Pre-tag. We have seen how the paragraph tag ignores all the changes of lines and extra spaces within a paragraph. But there is a way to preserve this by the use of the pre-tag. It also contains an opening and closing tag. It displays a text within a fixed height and width and preserves the extra lines and spaces we use. Let's do it practically.
Let's discuss about paragraph tag. Create a paragraph tag and write there your content. And here we are creating multi spaces. You can see the browser, the web page, or you can see the HTML removes the multi spaces and create this single space. Now we are writing paragraph in different lines. Now this is the third line, so we are writing it in third line. When we save it, you can see in the web page it comes only in a single line. These all are the features of HTML by default. So we have to use this BR tag to break the line. You can see using BR tag this line got broken. So you can break the line using BR tag. So we have created here 3 paragraph tag, and we are giving it an attribute, a line attribute, and the value is center, which makes paragraph center on the web page. So this line will be centered on the web page, you can see. And this paragraph tag align value is left, so this will be in left, and the third paragraph line is right. Now this will set to the right. You can see the first paragraph is in center, second is in left, and third one is in the right. Remove this code. So now let's create pre tag. Which will result on your web page same as you write in the HTML code. It will not change, it will not remove multi-spaces, it will not put your 3 lines in single line. You write same as it is pasted on your web page. Your content between pre-tag will printed same as on the web page. You can see there is multi spaces between these 2 paragraphs and there is no remove.